To reactivate your Lyft driver account, start by opening the Lyft driver app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile picture or icon in the top left corner to access the main menu. Select the Help option from the menu. Then tap on Account and Settings. Choose the Reactivate Account option, and you will be directed to a new page where you can initiate the reactivation process. If you do not see this option, you may need to contact Lyft support directly for assistance. You will be asked to provide a reason for reactivating your account. Choose the most applicable reason from the list provided, such as taking a break or resolving an issue. After selecting your reason, you may be required to review and agree to Lyft's terms of service. Carefully read through the terms and conditions. Then check the box to confirm that you have read and agree to the terms once you have completed this step. Submit your request to reactivate your account. Lyft will review your request, which may take a few minutes or several hours, depending on the volume of requests. You will receive an email or in-app notification once your account has been reactivated. After reactivation, ensure that your account information is up to date, including your vehicle details, insurance, and driver's license. This will help you to avoid any issues or delays when you start driving for Lyft again. If you encounter any problems during the reactivation process, contact Lyft support for assistance. They will be able to provide you with more information and help you to resolve any issues that you are experiencing. In addition to reactivating your account, it is essential to familiarize yourself with any changes to Lyft's policies or procedures that may have occurred while your account was inactive. This will help you to stay compliant and provide the best possible experience for your passengers. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily reactivate your Lyft driver account and get back on the road. Remember to always follow Lyft's guidelines and best practices to ensure a successful and profitable driving experience.